Hi everyone, good afternoon. देखते हैं मार्केट में कुछ हीरो जीरो बनेगा कि नहीं. सो दिस लेवल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 26,020 का जो लेवल है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये ब्रीच होता है तो आपका ये 26,000 का पीई जो है वो आप हीरो जीरो में ले सकते हो. सो लेट्स सी 26,020 का लेवल ब्रीच होता है कि नहीं. सो ये ब्रीच होता है तो तुरंत आप ले सकते हो 26,000 का पीई. दैट विल बिकम अ हीरो जीरो इफ दिस लेवल ब्रीचेस. डेटा देख लेते हैं. Data is also bearish. Data is also bearish. So let's wait. ये level breach होना है. If it breaches, then we'll get a good hero zero here. Let's see what all stocks are there. ये तभी लेना है आपको जब अगर मार्केट ब्रीचेस दिस लेवल. इफ इट डजंट ब्रीच दिस लेवल तब आप ये हीरो जीरो मत लीजिए. It will become because 26,000 is a strong support. So ये level अगर breach करता है तो ही आपको लेना है. Otherwise you don't have to, you don't have to do the zero zero. Good afternoon. So support करने के लिए तो कोई stocks तो है नहीं. Let's also see the advanced decline. There is nothing that is supporting for now. So uh, majorly all stocks are bearish. So जब तक ये level breach नहीं होता है. So let's also keep 26,000 call on radar. Like 6,050 का कॉल भी हम रखते हैं एंड पी भी हम रखते हैं. So data clearly says 26,000 is a strong support. So 26,000 के ऊपर market for today, this is clearly only for today, this is expiry play. So ये खाली expiry के लिए valid है. 26,000 के ऊपर market will be bullish and 26,000 के नीचे बहुत बड़ा एक bearish momentum हम देख सकते हैं because ये सारे के सारे जो put writers है, यहाँ पे जो put writers है, they will wind up their positions. So that's very important to watch. So this is 26,000 PE, which is around 8 rupees, and this is 26,050 ka call, which is around 15 rupees. So let's see which side we are going to get momentum. From a stock perspective, Britannia is showing strength. So those of you who have watched our those of you who have watched our video, you would have known that we have told you that FMCG sector will show strength. So Britannia is showing strength. Let's look at the chart of Britannia. ब्रिटानिया रडार पे रखिए. इफ इट इज मूविंग अबाउ द ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट, ब्रिटानिया में एक मूव देखने को मिलेगा. सो ब्रिटानिया इज शोइंग स्ट्रेंथ. यू कैन कीप ब्रिटानिया ऑन योर रडार. So that's the only stock for now which is showing some amount of strength. Let's go back to the index. Yeah. आज तो बहुत ही टाइट रेंज रहेगा बिकॉज you know 26,050 is a resistance and 26,000 is a support. इसके अंदर market will be flat. So हीरो जीरो तभी लेना है जब ये लेवल को ब्रीच करे, नहीं तो आपको हीरो जीरो नहीं लेना है. अदरवाइज योर it won't move the way you're expecting it to move. So for now there is no both are sort of flat and there is no momentum that's there. So good afternoon, good afternoon. Neeraj, I'm good. How are you? PCR is a bit oversold, not yet. Maruti Asian Paints. Still at 26,040. The only stock where there is buying that is showing is for Britannia. बाकी कोई भी stock में I don't think there is any buying that is happening. So let's watch this. जिनको भी हीरो जीरो खेलना होगा, this will be the best two strikes. One is 26,050, the other is 26,000. So 26,000 PE and 26,050 ka CE. These are the two that you can look at. Manjunath ji, I have already read your message on Maruti. You don't have to keep on writing it 10 times. We will check it once this particular trade is over. Okay, let's see. Okay, no change in the data. It is still 26,000 as a support and 26,050 is a resistance. So बहुत important ये रहेगा कि जब तक आपको confirmation नहीं मिलेगा आप हीरो जीरो मत लीजिए, because that will then sort of not give you the move. तो आपको रुकना पड़ेगा, then only you will be able to get a move. If you don't wait, आपको move नहीं मिलेगा. So as I told you, these are the two strikes, that is 26,000 का PE और 26,050 का CE. And if you look at the data में clearly there is support at 26,000 and there is resistance at 26,050. So जब तक ये levels टूटता नहीं है, there is no point in going doing a hero zero. You can see here, जब तक ये levels breach नहीं होता है, there is no point in doing a hero zero. So wait for the levels and वो जब breach करे तभी आपको position बनानी पड़ेगी, otherwise you won't get a proper move. PGEL I already updated, right? वो already डाला हुआ है. The low is the stop loss. I think it has hit the stop loss. PGEL I've already updated on the group. So it is basically not giving a big move. It वो वही के वही खड़ा है. There is no big move that is happening in PGL. I think there's some news also in PGL. So I'd given the stop loss already. So with that stop loss, you can hold, or I think the stop loss has already got hit somewhere here. So I think you would have exited this position. But again, this is not moving as expected. So 26,030 is still holding in Nifty, 26,020, 26,030 is still holding. ये काफी टाइम से यहाँ पे कोई मूव नहीं है. So हीरो जीरो तभी लेना है जब यहाँ पे आपको कोई मूव मिले. So normally ऐसे टाइम पे when it is an expiry and when there is such a strong support resistance, it is if it breaches, जो भी साइड में अगर ब्रीच करता है तो आपको बड़ा मूव देखने को मिलेगा. सो ये डेटा आपके लिए इसीलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो भी साइड में वो ब्रीच करे वहां पे आपको एक बहुत बड़ी मूव देखने को मिलेगा. इफ इट इज नॉट ब्रीचिंग ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी साइडवेज. तो अगेन आप देख सकते हो हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉल ऑफ 26,050 इज मूविंग. सो कीप दिस ऑन योर रडार. आप ये दोनों आप अपने रडार पे रख सकते हो. सिक्स थाउजेंड फोर्टी सिक्स हाई है 26,061. ओके. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल. अगर वो ब्रीच होता है ऑफ 26,020 के लेवल अगर ब्रीच होता है देन इट विल गिव यू अ गुड मोमेंटम to the downward side. But till the time it doesn't breach, or if it doesn't give you a support, there is no point in going long or short on hero zero. Now if you look at Nifty from a perspective of if you look at Nifty from a positional perspective, if you look at Nifty from a positional perspective, ये already sell on rise mode पे आ चुका है. It's already on a sell on rise mode. But 26,000 will always be a very important level to watch out for. So keep 26,000 level marked, because वो level breach करता है then you can see further down move. But yes, this is going to be a very important move to watch out for. Yeah, so we are now breaching this level. So 26,000 PE can be entered right now. It's a pure hero zero. So only those of you who have the capacity of letting it go as a zero, only those people enter. 26,000 PE, current market price is around 11 rupees. You can enter 26,000 PE. जिनको हीरो जीरो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है उतने ही क्वांटिटी लेना. हीरो जीरो इज अ रिस्की गेम. So take only that much quantity that you can afford to lose. So we've reached 26,020. See. 26,950 can come today if we are staying below this. So accordingly you can trail your positions. आप अपनी positions को trail करो, but obviously it is expiry move, so be also ready that this could become a zero trade. Now, if we close below 26,000, if we close below 26,000, that is not good for the market as well from a positional perspective. So positional analysis I've already shared with you all. Levels के साथ मैंने already share किया हुआ है on YouTube. You can always go back and watch that if you have not watched it. So it is very important that we hold on to the levels that I've already given on YouTube. If we which we वहाँ से तो we are already down. Okay, so now no, all these have gone for a toss. 26,050 has gone for a toss now. Now the only thing left is, last hope left is 26,000. Let's see. The last hope left is 26,000. So if that is also breached, then obviously this hero zero will become this will become a good amount of, give you good gains. Okay, till then, let me also look at some of your questions. Adani Green. So right now, I wouldn't suggest any buy positions for now, unless of course it is showing strength in a weak market. So if it's not showing strength in a weak market, do not go and take any buys, because even mid cap is giving away its gains. Small cap is also giving away its gains. So be careful in any buy positions right now. So it's still stuck to 26,015 odd levels. Let's see. Let's wait for the data support also to come. So right now we are at 26,015. Okay, धीरे धीरे market is also giving away its gains. यही एक support अभी भी खड़ा है 26,000 का. So in this week market, Britannia is showing strength. So those of you who are asking for stocks, Britannia is showing strength. बाकी और कोई stock इस week market में strength नहीं दिखा रहा है. So you can watch Britannia. Those of you who are asking about stocks, you can watch Britannia. Britannia is showing strength. So those of you who want to go long, you can go long on Britannia. Spot ka लेवल इज 5861. ऑप्शन अगर आपको करना है तो 5900 कॉल इज trading at around 110 109 rupees. Your stop loss will be strictly today's low because it is showing strength. Stop loss will be strictly today's low. This is for those of you who are asking about stocks. I will share stocks that is having strength right now. तो इसमें खाली ब्रिटानिया दिख रहा है जिसमें strength है. Other stocks I'm not even analyzing because it doesn't show any strength. So let's go back to Nifty. It looks like there's going to be more selling that's going to come. देखते हैं. Asian Paints, okay. Yes, Asian Paints also is having a good amount of strength. Can go long on Asian Paints also. Can go long on Asian Paints also. That's strength in this weak market. But then for all the longs that you're going, the stop loss is today's low. For all the longs, the stop loss is today's low. So keep that in mind and then accordingly take your positions. Okay. 26,000 अभी भी strong support. Still a very strong support. जब तक ये break नहीं होता है तब तक this option will not move. जब तक ये break नहीं होता है. Okay, so the stocks that we discussed are, of course, Asian Paints and Britannia. Britannia का call option भी we have discussed. So ये दोनों आप देख सकते हो for longs. Now currently 26,000 का PE. Currently it's a hero zero that we are trying to trade. Again, we need a close below 26,000 for this to move. जब तक ये close नहीं करेगा below 26,000, this won't move. So only those of you who are ready to lose in hero zero trades, go ahead and trade. Others don't trade. Watch, just watch if you're not. So data right now is also bearish, but only thing is 26,000 ka call is something where there is still support that is holding on to it. जैसे ही ये 26,000 का support निकल जाएगा, you will find a move that's happening. Shree Cement is also showing strength. So cash picks we have already shared on the group. आप वो check कर लो for cash picks. जब तक ये लोग जाएंगे नहीं तब तक there is not going to be any move below 26,000. Should enter PE. So we have already discussed, right? जब तक we have to get a close below 26,000. We are trying this 0 0. Both are going zero. Both are going zero because data clearly says both are, there is a support and resistance. So between this, both will go, both will strikes will go into zero. So that is what we have discussed. And we tried picking up 26,000 PE because data is bearish, but then obviously 26,000 PE doesn't seem to have giving you a move. Now the stocks we have discussed is Britannia, Asian Paints, and Shree Cement. Keep these stocks on your radar. Now, those of you who have already entered 26,000 PE, only those who are ready to lose money and enter 26,000 PE. If it goes into, if 26,000 PE moves to zero, if you're okay with it, only then enter. Data is bearish and 26,000 is a strong support. If 26,000 breaks, this can become a hero zero. So that's what we have discussed till now. And regarding how the markets will move, उसका पूरा analysis हमने YouTube में दिया हुआ है. So please watch the video. We have already shared the entire details. कौन से stocks में move आने वाला है. All that is already shared. वो watch करो, you will get an idea about that. Alright, so I think we've covered pretty much everything. We'll try and do this live session for half an hour going forward every day. We'll try and do this session during live market. So those of you who want to learn and understand, you can always join us. Okay, so right now, as so let me just summarize what we did today. We've discussed Britannia in live market. Britannia is showing strength in live market. Britannia का call option भी हमने discuss किया है. For all positions, your stop loss जो भी आप buy करते हो उसका stop loss will be today's low. Asian Paints भी हमने discuss किया है. Shree Cement भी हमने discuss किया. These are the stocks that are showing strength. Nifty is showing weakness. 26,020 के नीचे 26,000 के नीचे there will be more weakness. This is based on today's data. All right. Okay. That's it, guys. Then we'll end the stream right now, and let's see tomorrow how what we have discussed moves. This is the top for some time. For some months. Okay, till the time we do not cross, I've already given the levels that you need to watch out for. So you on YouTube. So wo dekh lo aap. Till the time we do not cross those levels, and of course the recent high, this is going to be a strong resistance. Okay. All right, guys. We'll see tomorrow where our analysis has gone in terms of the stocks and what is happening to this 26,000 level that we discussed.